Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. What do you like to talk about?
I enjoy discussing a wide range of topics, such as my interests and hobbies, current events, books and movies, music, sports, travel, technology, and so on.
Question number 2. Who do you usually have discussions with?
I usually talk to my friends, family, and colleagues. I enjoy talking about various topics and exchanging ideas with people I know, as well as learning new things from them.
Question number 3. Do you prefer talking or listening?
In a discussion, I believe that both talking and listening are equally important. I enjoy sharing my own thoughts and ideas while also listening to and appreciating the perspectives of others.
Question number 4. How often do you talk to people on different topics?
Every day, I talk to people about a variety of topics, whether in casual conversations or in more in-depth discussions.
Question number 5. Do you often change your opinions?
Yes, I'm open-minded and always willing to consider alternative viewpoints. I frequently find that my opinion shifts based on the conversation and what I learn from the people I'm speaking with.
Question number 6. Have your discussion topics changed since you were a child?
Yes, absolutely. My interests and topics of discussion have shifted and expanded as I've gotten older. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.